Keep your options open. With materials no longer on back order and builders catching up, don't put building a lake home to your specs off the table. This lakefront lot is located off fully paved Pier 31 Road in Camdenton and meets all your needs. Convenient location, surrounded by amenities both on and off water. This lot has water and sewer hookup in a deep cove location with large two-well dock ability, including additional swim platform and double PWC slip. I told you, this one checks all the boxes. Don't pass it up. Good inventory is low, so consider building today. And please be sure to like, share, subscribe to see all new and upcoming Missouri lakefront listings.